Hello guys, this is Mr. Kwok. Today I prepared the GRE Quantitative 32 Reasoning question. The category is multiple choice and the specific theme could be translation or arithmetic or algebraic representation. Let's get it. Right guys, here's our questions. Today's question. As always, I will give you 3 minutes, then pause the video and solve the question on a sheet of paper with your pencil instead of thinking by yourself with brain because it's not going to be helpful. Okay, let's get it, guys. All right, assuming that you guys already get the correct answer, let's read a question together and underline very important factors. First of all, a certain shipping service charges an insurance fee of $0.85 when shipping any package with contents worth $25 or less, and an insurance fee of $1 when shipping any packages with contents worth over $25. So it's a sentence, however, it's very long, but very important. So from the sentence, let's try to make our own kind of a formulation. There's an insurance fee, and then there is a package fee. So on the basis of package fees, insurance fees could be changed from the sentence. Is that correct? Yes, right. Then let's try to make a table to make a clarification. So insurance fee is $0.85 or 85 cents when the packages are less than $25. And then the insurance fee could be $1 when the packages fee is over $25. So like this way or like this way. And then with the different color, let's read the following sentences. If Trace uses the shipping company to ship 3 packages with contents worth $18.25, $25, $127.50 respectively, what is the total insurance fee that the company charges Trace to ship the 3 packages? So there is a condition, and with conditions we have to figure out the result. And what are the results? The results are the insurance fee on the basis of those 3 package fee. Is that correct? Yes, right. So let's move here and then let's try to calculate the insurance fee. First of all, 18, 25. Let's write down here, first of all, package fee. And then 1825, where do we have to fill it out? 1825 here. And then 25, not here. So it's also here. Because when you look at the condition, the fee could it be less than 25 or equal. And then $127.50 could be the package fee, could be here because it's $27.50 because it's larger than $25. So in that case, we have two 85 cents and one $1 package. And we can do just a summation. Is that correct? Yes, right. So one $1 multiplied by, one $1 plus 85 cents multiplied by 2. In that case, $1.70. Then, if we add together, the total insurance fee could be $2.70. So the answer is a D, as a Dallas. D is the correct answer, guys. Right, guys. Then, as an additional practice, let's change one of the number. From the insurance fee of 85 cents to 75 cents. Then I will give you 2 minutes. Then pause the video and get the correct answer, guys. Let's get it. Right, guys. Did you get the correct answer? Then let's think about it together. So just one of the numbers was changed. So still, those boxes fees are the same. So in that case, this box could be, how much is the fee? 75 cents. What about this one? 75 cents. Then what about this one? It is $1. In that case, what we can do is just a summation. It's pretty easy. In that case, $1.50 plus $1. Then the total price could be $2.50. And the answer could be C, as Chicago. So guys, today's question was related to a transfer, like a translation specific sentences to specific arithmetic representation or algebraic representation. I want to emphasize that today's question is very important because the arithmetic question is related to our practical life, such as every single day we can encounter the similar situations, such as even when we go to like a FedEx or when we go to like a USPS or UPS. On the basis of the weight, we have to pay a different fee, package fee, and sometimes if you want, on the basis of the weight or the fee, we can determine the insurance fee. So the reason I want to emphasize is really practical things. So like the similar questions in the future, we can encounter diverse things at the GRE, real GRE test. So it's very important, and I want you to review by yourself because I want to say mathematics is not memorizing the equation. Rather than, I want to say mathematics is an art or like a translations from the sentences. And if the content was beneficial for you guys, please click the subscription, alarm, and like button, please, because when I make the future videos, it's really helpful for me to have an intrinsic motivation. And should you have any further questions, guys, please let me know anytime because I'm going to let you know with kind reply. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day. See you later.